Hey everybody, this is Superfan Ben here to talk about what I think about the most recent fragrance from Creed that has the word Viking in it, and whether or not any fragrance on earth should be giving a coveted 5 out of 5 perfect rating from TCG. So, you might ask yourself, you're a super fan, fine, but a super fan of what? Well, I am a super fan from a certain football team from the great city of Chicago known as the Bears. Can I get a the Bears, please? The Bears. Thank you. So, in order to give my evaluation, I thought I would consult none other than Coach Ditka himself to see what he thinks about the matter. So, I'm going to give him a jingle now and see what he says. Let's try him.
Hello?
Hey, Coach. Superfan Ben here. Yep. Doing good. How about yourself? Hold on. I got another call coming in. All right, it was a scam. So anyway, I just wanted to ask you what you thought about this whole Viking business. Creed's saying it's called Viking, and we're supposed to give a 5 out of 5 rating, and I have reservations about that. I'm doing okay. I just got back from physical therapy. Just from No, it's from my most recent heart attack. Yeah, that makes a baker's dozen for me, Coach. I'm doing all right. So, what do you think about any fragrance company on earth using the word Viking in the name for a fragrance? And should it merit a 5 out of 5 in TCG's rating system? Yeah, I figured so, but I figured I would just double check. Okay, yeah, sounds good. I know you're busy. Listen, tell Ron and John down at Ditka's Steakhouse I'll be there today, right on time for happy hour. Oh yeah, yep. In fact, I'll probably be a little early. Sounds good. Okay. Bye-bye. Coach Ditka has spoken, folks. Viking by Creed, by default, has to get a maximum of 4 out of 5 because no way in hell are we going to give a perfect score of 5 out of 5 for any fragrance on earth with the word Viking in it. So with that being said, I'd like to end the video on a more positive note because the Bears have got themselves a quarterback. That's right. The Bears have got themselves a quarterback. It's been a very, very long time. A very long time indeed. We have waited. In fact, I think I was a quarterback at some point for the Bears. I think you were a backup quarterback at some point for the Bears. It was not always fun, but we got it right. We got ourselves a quarterback. I'm telling it right here. TCG, Superfan Ben, you heard it. Within 5 years, we will be Super Bowl champs. No doubt. Okay? No doubt.